This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to transfer your eSIM to a new phone on T-Mobile. If you're upgrading to a new iPhone and need to bring your eSIM along, don't worry, I've got you covered. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, ensure that both your old and new devices are connected to Wi-Fi. This is crucial because the eSIM transfer requires internet access to complete the process seamlessly. Once your phones are connected, pick up your new iPhone and head over to the Settings app. From there, you'll want to tap on Cellular. This section is where you'll manage your cellular plans and begin the transfer. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Cellular Plan. Tap on that and you should see your eSIM number listed. Go ahead and select your eSIM number. After doing this, you'll tap on Add Cellular Plan once more. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These steps are designed to help T-Mobile verify and set up your eSIM on the new device. Now, switch over to your old iPhone. You'll receive a prompt asking you to confirm the transfer. Simply tap on Transfer when you see this notification. By doing so, you're authorizing the move of your eSIM from your old phone to the new one. After you've confirmed the transfer, it's time to sit back and let the process take its course. It's normal for your new iPhone to restart during this procedure, so don't be alarmed if that happens. In fact, it's a good sign that everything is moving along as it should. Once your phone has restarted, you'll want to double-check that your eSIM is active. Return to the Settings app and navigate back to Cellular. Look for your plan and make sure it's listed there. When you see it, congratulations. Your eSIM has successfully transferred, and you're all set to enjoy your new device with your existing T-Mobile plan. And that's how you transfer an eSIM to a new phone on T-Mobile. It's a simple and efficient way to ensure your cellular service continues seamlessly as you transition to a new device. Remember, staying connected to Wi-Fi throughout the process is key. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new iPhone.